Alright guys, welcome again to my tutorial video on how you can use bearish engulfing candle to trade forex. Alright, to know when to sell, to know when to buy. And this particular candle make me over $400, alright, by using this particular strategy. This video is just based on educational tutorial. This is not financial advisor, and do well to subscribe, like and share. I'll show you this particular strategy for free on this particular YouTube channel. Just make sure to subscribe and like to know how the setup works step by step. Before we jump into the chart, I need to just show you what is bearish engulfing candle, all right, so that you guys can understand what is bearish engulfing candle. All right, a bearish is a very simple explanation. Is bearish engulfing candle is a powerful candle pattern that signal a potential reversal from bullish uptrend to bearish. All right, it usually appear at the top of an uptrend or resistance level. It's that simple. So they can normally appear at the resistance level. All right, so when you see this particular signal, you are trying to wait for a full confirmation before start selling, so that you cannot jump into the market without fully confirmation. You can see how can you identify bearish engulfing candle. The first candle is small. You see the first candle is small, and I will give you guys the example in this particular tutorial. All right, you see the first candle is very small. This is bearish engulfing candle. Why the second candle is a large green candle that totally engulf, all right, the previous green candle. That is called bearish engulfing candle. When you see this particular signal, start preparing for selling with a full confirmation. All right, you can see, let me just go ahead and show that you can understand what is this particular candle is all about and how you can apply it to your trading journey so that you don't do any mistake. The second candle is larger, bearish. I've already shown you that completely cover or engulf the body of the first candle. I've already showed the example right now. The second candle must close lower than previous candle open. You can see it close. You can see it here. And you see the second candle close, all right, below the previous candle. That is called clean bearish engulfing candle. So I think you have already understand this particular candle right now. Then this shows selling pressure, meaning seller have taken control of the market. So what is meant for trader? A bearish engulfing candle suggests that buyer are getting weak and seller are stepping in. It's a sell signal when found at a key level, resistance level. How can you trade it? Wait for the pattern to fully form and close. You see it's close here. You can see the pattern is close below this particular bullish candle. We call it bearish engulfing candle. All right, it's very easy to identify. Just make sure to have a full patience for the candle to form and close before you start selling. It must be a very resistant level before you can easily start using it. It's that simple. Then how to trade it. All right, so wait for the pattern to fully form and close. Confirm it's happening at a strong resistance zone. It's that simple. Then enter a sell after the candle close. Then set a stop loss slightly above, all right, resistance. Then set take profit near the next support level. It's that simple. Then example, I will give it right now, the example on how I use it right now. You are going to see it every day. Then it's very simple and easy. So how you can just spot it. So let me just show you on my live chat right now. You can see, let me just even delete this one for you guys to see this particular candle clearly in this particular tutorials. All right, so you can easily see it very well clearly. You can see I found this particular. Can you see I've already, this is a very strong you can see this area is, we are seeing this particular area is a very strong resistance level. Around this area you can see it's a very strong resistance level. So but I keep waiting. These are three, we can see these are rejection candle show here around this level, you can see. But right now, when I see this part, can you see this particular candle, this particular red, it's fully engulfed this particular what? Let me show you so that you guys can understand what I mean, so that you guys won't do a mistake when you see it on the chart. All right, you can see this particular candle. This is a green candle, and it's fully engulfed this particular green candle, and the market starts selling drastically to the support level. You can see it's drastically selling, and when I see this particular pattern right now, it's fully engulfed the previous green candle, and I decide to just make sure, let me just put my, set my trade right now. I just try to set up, I just enter around this zone, you can see, and I put my stop loss right above, the candle. All right, immediately, can you see, immediately the candle form, I put my stop loss, above that particular bearish candle, and I take my TP downward to, to the next support level here. You can see right now, and I just take my TP. You can see it's that simple and easy. So when you just make sure the candle, this area is a very strong, all right, resistant level where market has reversed. You can see the market touch here, reverse, touch here, and these are the rejection candle here forming, and I just wait for this candle to form. You can see this particular one to form. All right, immediately it form, I decide to just enter the market, and I just put my put my TP at the nearest. This is another support level here, and I just try to just exit from the market. It's that simple. Just make sure the candle is forming at a very strong resistant level before you start selling. So let me just show you a live trade right now, how you can also trade live on this particular video. Just make sure to watch this video too, and like and share this video, guys. So right now, let me just show you how to use the candle here. You can see we have already see a very strong a very strong level here. Let's say this is the current market, right? But the market failed to break this particular level. Let me just draw my something around this zone. All right, this is my resistance. The market failed to break this zone. This is a very strong resistance level. You can see the market. We see another rejection here, but the market failed to break this level. And you see many times, you can see it's failed to break this particular level many times. So we should be looking for our what? And let me just even draw my support level around. Okay, this is some support level here. All right, for you guys to take your TP. All right, so right now you can see the market failed. This is a very strong resistance level because the market failed to break this level. So I'm looking for that particular bearish engulfing candle in this particular zone. So let me just try to show you right now how you can see it. Let me just play it. You can see, can you see the market just engulf? Can you see? Sorry, the candle, this particular candle just fully engulfed this particular previous this particular green candle. All right, at a very strong resistant level. All right. So what I'll just make sure to just try to set my I'll just try to set my all right, so that I can easily go for my after the candle form. I decided to just try to let me just allow the candle to form to it form. So I try to just put my stop loss. I'm trading this particular zone area, so the market so that I can make some profit here. So the candle has already formed, so I just put my stop loss above all right, the resistance level. So it formed. When the market form, I keep waiting for the market to do. Can you see the market just even eats my TP? After the candle form, you can see after the candle form, I just tried to it form, it close, then I just entered, and can you see, and the market just eats my TP. So always wait for this candle to form before you can start selling, and it must be a very strong level like this. Can you see a very strong level, a very strong resistance level before you can decide to buy or sell? And you see, so guys, this particular strategy is working if you can have a patience for the candle to form. All right, it normally appear at a very strong resistance level. After the candle form, just make sure to enter the market and let the market just run, and you can start seeing a lot of results like this, guys. Is really amazing. Can you see the market just even hit our TP and we make some profit? So guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and try to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this video, share this video to all your friends. Let's make money in Forex financial market. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.